Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Supreme Poncho, and this was the free gift for the Spring/Summer 20 season, if you didn't know. And today I'm going to be doing a review on it. So first, I'm going to show you what the outside of the packaging looks like, and then I'm going to take it out, show you what the poncho looks like, and then at the end of the video, I will be trying this on, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And if you would, before this video gets started, please leave a like on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And now let's get right into it. Alright, so when you get the poncho, it comes in this little packaging. So now getting into a close-up of it, as you can see, it has a big red Supreme box logo on the front. Also, it says Ballpark Adult Rain Ponchos, just so you know what it is. And then in the top left, it says Made in the USA. And then towards the bottom of the packaging, it has some information. It says one size fits most adults, so pretty much everybody will be able to fit in this. And then it also has a adjustable hood. It's recyclable. And then it says Made in the USA again, so I guess they really want you to know that it was made in the USA. And then flipping it over, it has a bunch of raindrops in the typical red Supreme color. Has a little flap, which is how you take out the poncho. And then at the top, it says be prepared for the storm, so that's kind of cringe, not gonna lie. And then at the bottom, it says Ballpark Poncho, has the barcode. Then it says Spring/Summer 20, 3 random letters and numbers. I don't know what those are for. And then the color of this is white, so that's why it says it. And then it says OS for one size, in case you didn't know what that means. So now I'm going to take this out of the packaging and show you what it looks like, so let's get right into it. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at what the Supreme Poncho looks like outside of its plastic wrap. And to do that, you just undo this little flap right here and just slide the poncho out. So now I'm going to do that. So when you get the poncho, it obviously comes all folded up, and then you just unroll it, and then unfolding it. This material is like the same material that the parachute dude was last year, like the parachute part. This is like the same material, that's what I'm guessing. So that's just what it feels like. Alright, so fully unfolded, here's what the poncho looks like. It's just like pretty much a big trash bag. This thing's a lot bigger than I thought it was. And then here's the hood, and it has like this strip that goes around it. I don't know what this is for though. I don't know if it actually does anything. And then has the Supreme box logo on the front. A lot of people are calling this a box logo, which I think is really cringe. I would say it's not even close to one. Like, you can't really call something that's free a box logo, because like I think the whole point of a box logo is it's really expensive. So I just don't like how people are calling this a box logo. Like, obviously it is, but I just don't think you can classify it as one, because you're not gonna wear this every day. So that's just why I don't think it's a box logo. So I'm gonna try this on, see how it fits. All right, so here's what the poncho looks like. The armholes are like kind of like the same width as the actual poncho. And hold on, I might actually just need to switch lenses. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this, but box logo. This is actually kind of hilarious. You can kind of see through it because I'm wearing a black shirt, so you can kind of see it's like pretty dark, so you can kind of see the black through it. But here's what the poncho looks like. It's super wide, as you can see, and yeah, I'm gonna put on, hold on, I'm gonna put on a different lens just so you can see what like the bottom part looks like, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I changed lens just so you can see this on me a little bit easier, and here it is, hood. I'll put the hood up so you can see it, and the hood fits pretty well. It's a pretty big hood, and then has the box logo branding, so you know I'm wearing a box logo. And then looking at it, length is actually pretty good. Like, I'm 6'1", so I'm not like super short or anything, and the poncho almost comes down to my knees. So if you're shorter than me, and this thing's gonna easily hit your knees, it'll easily cover up most of your body, so you won't have to worry about getting wet in the rain. Just doing a little 360, all white, all around, and I look so cringe in this, but it's probably really functional, so that's the main thing that's key with the ponchos. You don't want all your clothes to get wet, so look super cringe in this hood. Like, this is honestly like probably the best free gift Supreme has released since I've done Supreme, besides the bouncy ball. So free gift's really cool. It's really practical, but I don't know how cringe this is to wear in public though. Like, I don't know if you want to be caught in this. Like, obviously if you want to do it for the flex, definitely do it, but I don't think I'll ever wear this outside. So nice free gift, nice piece. Can't go wrong with it, especially when it's free. So reselling this is only like $10 also, so it's not like super expensive. So I think everybody should have this in their Supreme collection. Like, it's really cool. I just don't know how cringe it would be to wear in public. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.